elevators. Yeah, the elevators are there. They got NDT, non-destructive testing, because inside.
Have they been?
It comes at night time because he's using X-rays.
Oh, I see. He still does it here, does he?
He did them here, yeah. Last.
Oh, pretty
outside company.
I'll have switched the camera and
yeah,
have a look at him.
When did we get that?
You wouldn't have been allowed anywhere near it.
No, these security cameras on the Rivet Club.
Yes, you've got another one now. Another one over in the
I
corner
haven't
there.
seen that one on there. It isn't.
They put another one up there because people are looking at them two there and there's nothing happening.
Yeah,
All the work's happening there.
Yeah, it is, that's right. I look on and I think, is this a still picture or is there anything happening?
Yeah, it's a sort of
The elevators arrived in October 2017. They were acquired from the Shackleton Preservation Group in Coventry. These elevators will fit either a Lancaster, a Lincoln or a Shackleton. How much restoration is needed on them, whether they'll strip all the skins off and check everything underneath, I'm not sure. But they have been non-destructive tested and x-rayed and they have been passed okay. In the middle of the two elevators on the trailer are a set of ailerons. The starboard aileron John completed this year. I did several videos covering from putting it in the jig to the complete dismantle and the complete rebuild. That happened this year, 2020. This is Keith's with the inserts and the blind rivet fitted, and this is Ken, just slightly different. We covered all this on last week's video.
You got your leading edges then, did you, in the week?
Yeah, we got them back last Wednesday or Thursday, I think it was.
Were they okay? Fitted alright, or?
No, they've all got to be trimmed yet and everything.
Yeah.
It's just that when we put them on and started to pull them round and everything, the wheels weren't at one end, weren't in fully penetrating, and it started to crack them.
Alright.
Because they're made in two pieces.
Yeah. Oh, they're made in two pieces then.
Yeah,
they're not making them in one then.
Yeah, you couldn't make them in one piece.
Oh.
Right, so they've gone away for re-welding.
Yeah.
Along the rest of it's all right. It was just about that much at the end.
Yeah.
You could see where it hadn't fully penetrated the weld.
Yeah.
So they're going to be re-welded.
Will they have to be x-rayed, the welds at all?
No, not on that. It's not it's not a structurally significant, kind of high stress item.
No.
I wouldn't think.
No. Ah. So when you're going to get them back then?
I don't know. They went. Andrew took them away yesterday, so whenever the guy's taking them to, can do them.
Yeah. Oh, good. And nothing else to report to me then?
No,
Hey.
just yeah, the skins are partially fitted at the back, and I'm just fitting the long skin here now.
And you know, last week we were talking about that joint in the packing piece.
Yes.
You put this skin underneath it. That's on top of the packing piece, this skin, is it?
Yeah, it goes under the front skin and on top of the packing pieces.
Yeah.
Because the frame was that this sits on is slightly higher at this point than the one in there, so you had to level it up, so you don't cause a stress mark in the skin.
Yeah.
But now you can see it's all sitting nice now.
And that the solid rivets are just a strengthener, are they?
Yeah, they're panting angles.
Yeah.
They're put on with solids because you could put them on when the skin was off.
Yeah. All right, that's it then. Thanks a lot, mate.
Alright.
That's it for this week. It's very short, not a lot to report. At least the leading edges have come back, and then get on with those and get them fitted. And that will virtually bring us to the end of year 3. Bye.